Hi guys, how are you? Today we are installing WordPress on our computer through WAM server. Just following these simple steps and then we will install a WordPress on our WAM server. First of all, create a directory on WAM server. Go to the WAM server from your taskbar, then right click, then go to the Apache because we have to make alias in D folder. Add an alias. Okay, now you can easily make an alias of your WordPress directory. Just click write WordPress. Okay, now this give you the example. Now write D WordPress. It automatically create a directory in your D partition of your computer. Now what we do, we have created the directory. Now we have to download the WordPress free version from wordpress.org.com. just go to the wordpress.org.com and press the download button, which is right side. This is the IDM notification. You can't see it because you are installing WordPress first time. Okay, now extract the file and copy the all file in WordPress directory. Like what we have do, just go to the WordPress directory and this all file has been copied on WordPress directory which we made by alias. Okay, now we have to create database in WordPress, which is very crucial for the WordPress. First of all, open your PHP admin. If you don't know how to open PHP admin, then go to your taskbar. Go to your taskbar, right click on that and then click on phpMyAdmin. This is another way to open a phpMyAdmin. Okay, now click on the database. These are the database which exist in your information schema. Now we are making a new directory database WordPress, which we are installing now. Okay, our database has been created. You can see that the pop-up has been appeared by the phpAdmin. Now click the WordPress. This is empty data, so don't worry about it. WordPress automatically install each and every table when WordPress needed. Okay, first now the main step, the configuration of your WordPress with your database. How WordPress interact with your database. Now go to wconfig.sample file and copy this file and then repaste this file. Now rename this file and just remove all those except wp-config and open this file in your favorite editor. We are opening in Dreamweaver 8, which is awesome. Okay, now give the database name here in dbname folder, in dbname line, database name. What is your database name? WordPress. We wrote the name WordPress. Okay, give it by the Dreamweaver WordPress. What is your username? We will use the root user of WAM server, which are each and every person. This root user have no password, so just let this line blank. Yeah, we have a localhost dbchar status utf. Just save this file easily. Okay, now this process has been completed. Database has been successfully synchronized with our WordPress installation. Now main thing is come to configure the WordPress. Now go to your WAM server and click localhost. It will show you an awesome interface of WAM server. Now go to the WordPress directory which we make with alias. Click on that WordPress directory. It is now that see the automatically come my installation manual to you. Now first set the title of your website. We are setting it Think Beyond Window, which is basically our website, our company name. Username, never put username admin. We are just putting admin because we are installing this WordPress as for you, as for learning purpose. If you are making your website as a security purpose, I suggest you never put username as admin because hacker can hack you. Last month 90,000 website has been hacked by the hackers. Then add the password twice, then add the email address. We are we insert the email address info@thinkbeyondwindow, which is our information email. You can need any information, you can email us on this email address. Allow search engine, yeah, of course we need it. Install WordPress. Now it automatically a nanosecond WordPress installation. Nanosecond, you can't believe it, because this is the WordPress power which WordPress give us. Nanosecond WordPress. Okay, WordPress has been successfully created. Now you can use your WPHP admin and you can use your website. This is our admin, and whatever the password I wrote, yes it is, and then I will log in my admin area. Okay, now congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress on your computer with the help of WAMP server. If you need more tutorial like how to create post, how to create custom pages, then you can subscribe us by subscribing by upper subscribe button. Thank you very much. This tutorial made by WordPress guru Abdur Rahim. Thanks again.